Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. Today I'm here to talk to you about a meme coin, funnily enough, SPX6900. This is the meme coin that has been doing insane numbers here in the crypto space over the last few weeks and months or so here. I'm very impressed here. It is done in the last month 36%. So in this video, we're going to be breaking this down sort of from a fundamental perspective and then looking at it from a technical analysis perspective, basically how we can make some money trading this asset, and then we'll finish off the video with a lovely price prediction to see how high this asset could be going and how much money we could be making simply buying into it and holding it from this area. So without further ado, let's get into this video. If you like this asset, if you like the channel, drop a little like on the video. It costs you nothing and helps us out tremendously. Now, straight into the fundamentals for this asset. So you can see SPX6900 is the idea here. This is obviously a meme coin. And the idea is basically this is the index for crypto, okay? It's the index for crypto, and you can see total supply, total burned 69, 6.9%, love to see it. Circulating supply, $930 million. This thing is listed on quite a few places, believe it or not, in terms of centralized exchanges, but it's not listed on Binance, it's not listed on Coinbase. So this poses the question, guys, if it does get listed on Coinbase or Binance, where's this price going to go? Okay, where's this price going to go? Because if we look at the chart, it's been performing very well since March. I'm not going to get into that right now, but overall, it is a meme coin, and it's basically been performing the best from a percentage perspective, from a trend perspective over the last months or so, which is super interesting. Okay, so let's look at this from a bit of a more of a broader perspective here. You can see it's gone up in the last month here 49%. You can see here in the last 7 days it's down 9.64%, and you can see in the last day it's actually down 7.42%. But the trend overall is strong. So let's get into the chart and let's see where we can make some money trading this, and then a lovely price prediction. So let's look at this, just this macro, lovely, beautiful structure here. You can see this is the low here, this is the high, this is the higher low. As we break this high here, we confirm this as the higher low, and then we have a significant pullback from a new high, and that basically creates this lovely higher low here, and then we come up again, pullback, breaking that high, higher low is here. So this is the higher low level here. Sorry if that was a bit quick for you guys to follow, but this is the higher low level that is currently currently needs to be respected. If we invalidate this and start trading below this area, basically it means there's a reversal in the trend. This trend is now basically becoming invalid here, and then we're likely to start a downtrend. Now, if that does happen, you can see here we are in an upward sloping parallel channel. Upward sloping parallel channels, guess what? They tend to usually break to the downside, okay? The measure move for this lovely short position is going to be something along the lines of this. Obviously, depending on where we actually hit this lower side here will determine the measure move here. So for simplistic sake, we're just going to be doing something like this here for the time being, and then we're going to be using this as a measure move. Wherever we break down, this is going to be our target, okay? The target here is actually 42% to the downside if this does break down. Now, right now, I don't see this breaking down right away because obviously the markets are going basically down right now. SPX6900 is going up. Currently sat at literally a $1.6 billion market cap, climbing way over, not where it's been before, but way over a lot of other assets in terms of percentage here that we have seen for this asset. Now, the all-time high market cap for this asset is currently sat at roughly $1.6 billion. So that does bring me in to the price prediction here for this asset. So the price prediction for SPX6900 is going to look something along the lines of this here. As you can see, the all-time high price is actually at $1.81 here. And if we're looking at the all-time high market cap, it's actually 1.62 billion. So not that, sorry, no, that was wrong. Not 1.62 billion. No, yeah, that was right, 1.62 billion. In most recent price action, we have seen that to the upside. Now, the all-time high price for this is 1.74. So if we're looking at sort of a price prediction for this asset, I probably would be putting this, if we look at other sort of meme coins in the space right now, this at a $1.16 billion market cap, comparing this to assets like like Trump here, like Pepe, like SHIB. It's actually already 5th here in the list. So what we want to do here is compare it to, say, Pepe here at the height of the run in basically December time, that sort of area here. So you can see here towards the end of towards the end of December here, Pepe was actually priced at a $10 billion market cap. Now, if this asset, SPX, goes to a $10 billion market cap, you're looking at roughly basically a 9x on your investment from this area. So if we look at that from a price range, this will give us a price here at around 800% here. It will give us a price of roughly $11.4 a coin. Okay, so absolutely insane stuff if we can get to these areas, but that would be the price prediction. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys. And just so you're aware, this is literally a 9x on your investment, simply buying now and holding this thing. Again, let me know what you think in the comment section. Drop a little like if you found this TA helpful, and I'm super intrigued to know your opinions. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Drop a little subscribe here and notification bell on if you could, and you're never going to miss one of our uploads here over on Crypto Chester. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.